Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is on this wig. This is a kinky straight wig. I think it is 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 24 inches. I think it is 24 inches. So it's a 5 by 5. Yeah, so 5 by 5 kinky edges, kinky straight. Okay, so 5 by 5 kinky straight with kinky edges, 24 inches wig. Yeah, and this is the result from my install from my work. Honestly, it's very tricky to get, you know, it's tricky sometimes to do these type of edges. But before we jump into the installation of the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. This is the box, and if you are familiar with my channel, then you definitely know if I don't do any wig review, you're getting a Luvmehair wig review like almost every other month or every month. But yeah, so this is the box that the wig came inside. It sent some stocking cap, some hair care, so user guide, and a little pouch with some little goodies. This is to put around your edges to keep it from lifting up while you're sleeping. For me, it doesn't work when I'm doing the install, so just put this on when I'm sleeping. This is like a pocket mirror that you could use, and some edge brush, which I didn't use because I already have one open, so I didn't care to use a new one. And the wig bag in which I could put the wig in when I'm done wearing it. And obviously the wig. So I did go ahead and I straightened this wig. I did show you guys a little bit of me straightening it. I didn't really want to do much on camera because one, this hair was very thick and I was very hot to sit and like straighten it on my head. I didn't want to do that, so I did it on the mannequin. I think I did show you guys a little bit. I think I did. Yeah, so I didn't bleach this wig. Actually, it came pre-bleached. The edges came, you know, hefty. I had to do a little bit of plucking, but not too much, to be honest. I didn't have to bleach it or anything like that. I really just straightened the wig, put it on my head, sprayed some got to be spray on it, plucked out a little bit of the edges, cut some off, and voila. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly guys, whenever I get a kinky edges, like wigs with kinky edges, like honestly I am always conflicted, like what do I do, to be honest. Like it's always like, okay, let me just go with the flow and see where this wig takes me or where this install takes me. It's never ever like, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. And I don't know, I just think it's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky because for my natural hair I do my edges, so, and you don't really want to do your edges because it's not supposed to be done with the kinky edges. Like it's supposed to show like a more natural type of vibes, like, you know, you didn't really do anything to your hair. And sometimes I think it's a little bit difficult for me to get, but I tried my best, and yeah, this is the outcome. So if you guys would like to purchase this wig, then definitely check the links down in the description box, and if I have a coupon code, it will definitely be down in the description box as well. But thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.